back to my YouTube channel. This is Harshada's Lifestyle. So today I'm going to tell you the skincare routine which I follow, which is under rupees 300. So you all know that skincare is really important. See, skincare is not a task, it's just a part of our lifestyle. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. So the first product in the list is this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. This face wash is for all the skin types. It is only for 65 rupees. It is 50 ml. See, it removes impurities. This face wash is really good for the pimple and acne. It is a soap-free herbal formulation that gently removes impurities and prevents pimple. Since I started the skincare, I'm using this. I'm still using this, and I'm the fan of this product. I really love this product. So there are basically three steps in the skincare. The basic steps like it is a CPM, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. So cleansing is the really important part of the skincare. So yeah, I like this product. The next one is this we have is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. You can see it is for all the skin types. It helps in unclogging the pores and dead skin, and it is for all the skin types. It is only for 91 rupees. It is really affordable. 91 rupees, and it is 100 gram. That means the quantity is also very good and the price is also good, and it is 100% natural. I really love Ayurvedic products, so that's why I like the Biotic scrub. So yeah, I love this one. So the next product in the list is this Biotic Bio Honey Water Pore Tightening Toner with Himalaya waters. You can see the packaging. They are providing two different types in toner. The one is cucumber and the another one is honey. The cucumber one is sucks. I don't like this toner because it has a strong smell, but I like this one because it does the work perfectly. Let's see inside how it looks. मैंने इसे यूज़ किया है इसलिए इतना खाली खाली दिख रहा है, बट ये आपको फुल इसमें आएगा. तो आप इसे देख सकते हैं. It is for all the skin types and it is really good. If you are looking for the affordable and budget friendly toner, then I suggest you this because I am also using this and I am still using this, and yeah, I really like this product. So the next product in the list is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Almond Soothing and Nourishing Eye Cream. You can see the packaging. The product is for 170 or 175 maybe, and it works for the dark circles, the dry lines. It nourishes and it soothes your eyes. See, आपके आईज के पास जो है वो दिन भर बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ होती रहती है जिससे आपको रिंकल्स आ सकते हैं, डार्क सर्कल्स आते हैं आपको उससे. जबकि आप रात को अच्छे से सोते नहीं हो, लेट सोते हो, तो इसकी वजह से आपको डार्क सर्कल्स आते हैं. तो इसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा वर्क करती है. सी, आई क्रीम इज़ अ मस्ट. आई क्रीम इज़ really important. So yeah, you can buy it. It is 100% natural, and yes, Ayurvedic products are really good. So yeah, it is good. It is awesome. The next product in the list is this Pond Superlight Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. You can see it is for oily skin. If you are looking for good and for oily skin moisturizer, then it is really good. And for dry skin, I am recommended you the Pond's Light Moisturizer. which is also for 240 rupees, and it is also for 240 rupees. Both are the good, but this one is for oily skin, and the Pond's Light Moisturizer is for dry skin. It provides Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer provides long lasting hydration to your skin, and yeah, it is really really good. It looks you fresh. It is non-sticky glowing skin. It has a vitamin E in that. So yeah, overall the product is awesome, and I really this one is my favorite product. The next product in the list is this Lakme Sun Expert sunscreen SPF 50. SPF 50 blocks up to 97% of UVB rays. This Lakme sunscreen is a shield against the harmful rays of UVA and UVB rays. If you are staying indoors, आपको सनस्क्रीन लगाना ज़रूरी है. अगर आप बाहर भी जाते हो तो आपको सनस्क्रीन लगाना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप नहीं लगाते हो तो आप टैन हो जाओगे, जो कि आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. So yeah, sunscreen is a must. The last product in the skincare list is this Mom's Co Natural Lip Balm in the flavor cherry. It based all the natural and plant-based ingredients like vitamin E with cocoa and shea butter. It really moisturizes and heals dry lips. So yeah, this is my favorite product, and it is only for 130 rupees. सो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा और थोड़ा भी हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो मेरा वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, लाइक शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए, और हाँ प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और हाँ, हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग जल्दी मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड थैंक यू.